Good evening everyone and welcome to my channel. Tonight I'm going to share with you a variety of ways that you can reuse banana peels instead of just throwing them away. Banana peels may seem like a slimy, smelly waste product, but they are actually filled with nutrients that can benefit both plants and skin. I'm going to walk through 6 different uses for banana peels and provide tips and explanations for how each one works. So grab a notepad and pen as we get started. The first use for banana peels is as a natural insect repellent for your houseplants or garden. Banana peels contain certain chemical compounds that bugs don't seem to like. Chop the peels into small pieces about 1/2 inch wide and place them around the base of the plants you want to protect. Make sure to position the pieces right where insects like to crawl or lay eggs. The smell deters common pests such as aphids, spider mites, and cabbage worms. I found it works best if you refresh the peels every 1 to 2 weeks as the smell starts to fade. It's a simple, chemical-free way to safeguard your plants without poisoning pollinators or the environment. The second use is making a hydrating face mask. Banana peels are filled with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that nourish skin, reduce redness and inflammation, and improve skin clarity. You'll need just one ripe banana peel for this. Simply take the inner part of the peeled and rub it gently all over your clean face and neck in circular motions for about 2 minutes, avoiding the eye area. The juices contain enzymes that exfoliate dead skin cells away. Let it sit for another 10 minutes so your skin can absorb the goodness, then rinse off with lukewarm water and a soft cloth. Your complexion will feel soft, supple and glowing. You can do this 1 to 2 times per week. Another great use is treating sunburns and insect bites. The inside of the banana peel contains compounds called catechins, which have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. They help soothe itchiness and redness and speed up the healing process. For sunburns, gently rub the fleshy inside of the peel directly over the affected area. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing. You can also do this for mosquito and ant bites to decrease pain and swelling. Just a light rub encourages circulation and fades marks more quickly. Doing it 2 to 3 times a day really helps. Now let's shift gears to using banana peels for household purposes. One idea is using them as a natural leather conditioner. Most leather accessories like shoes and bags break down over time from natural oils washing away. But banana peels replenish those oils and nutrients. Simply rub the inside of the peel all over the leather until it absorbs. Buff out any peel residue with a soft cloth for a beautiful sheen and protected surface that will last longer. It's inexpensive and safe for delicate materials. Test in an inconspicuous spot first to check for color fastness. You can also use banana peels to clean houseplants. Dust and residue can accumulate on leaves and block photosynthesis. Grab a peel and gently rub both sides of the leaves to lift away the dirt without harming delicate surfaces. The peels contain natural greases that break down particles without stripping foliage of their natural waxes. Rinse with a spritz of water if any residue remains. Your plant babies will perk up with healthier, shiny leaves. I like doing this every couple of weeks or after repotting. Lastly, you can make an organic liquid fertilizer from banana peels. Start by placing peels in a jar or container and covering with water. Seal with a lid and let it steep at room temperature for 2 to 3 weeks, giving it a swirl every few days. The peels break down, leaching vital nutrients like potassium into the water. Strain out the peels and dilute the tea 50-50 with fresh water. Use this solution in place of regular water for indoor plants about once a month during the growing season. The feeding boosts growth and yields lusher foliage. It's also gentle enough for more delicate varieties. So in summary, don't toss those old banana peels. They contain antioxidants, antibacterial properties and key minerals your plants and skin adore. With minimal effort you can give them a second life supporting overall wellness. Let me know if any of these suggestions were new to you or if you have extra tips to share. I hope you find multiple uses in your home and yard. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more environmentally friendly tutorials. Take care and happy reusing!